All right, so we are going to start off with the unboxing of the clutch because I actually have no idea if the flywheel is included in this. Hope so. If not, we needed to make an order real fast. But I ordered this through Long Range. It is Valier. This is what he recommended. I have ran South Bend clutch in the past and really no issues by any means. I did hear a little chatter at periods of time. It wasn't consistent once I put a few thousand miles on the clutch, but other than that, this is what I was recommended, so I don't mind trying out something new. And everything we buy anyway, that's at least 30 years old, is manual anyway, so more opportunities. So I did go with the dual disc again. That's what I had before. Again, really preferred that. Didn't want anything too aggressive. I just want an OEM ride, so. Babe, here's my first stupid question. This top piece is the flywheel, correct? No?
That's your pressure plate.
This is the pressure plate.
But it does have the flywheel underneath it.
So what is considered the flywheel?
With the teeth?
This?
Mm-hmm.
And the clutch is in between?
Yes.
Okay, because the clutch is what has those actual pads that we looked at? Okay.
Remember mine has a puck?
Okay.
Mine was a puck setup. Mine had notches out.
Yes.
Yours will be a full circle.
Okay, so pressure plate, clutch, then the flywheel.
Did you find my alignment tool?
I don't know. Well, is
Yes.
Oh, yes, this thing? This is the alignment tool? So what is this?
You have your flywheel bolts. You have your,
This type of bearing, right?
what you call it, bearing. Got a bunch of things. This goes over your center shaft. Your, what you call it, rides on this slave cylinder.
Oh, okay.
Throw out there.
Okay, cool. So we have everything we need. So we have everything. It even says it right here. They checked off everything that was in there. How nifty. Nice. All right. Here we have it. I have not actually fully opened this up. We kind of quickly just inspected when we first got it. But now we can actually deep dive and see what we got. Oh, hey. Yeah, transmission fluid. Sweet. I think that's everything. Yeah. Awesome. So we got that. Ooh, stickers. Oh yeah. All right. This is my actual shifter.
So if everything works, you can put you a short for shifting on that.
A short one?
No, you keep that. It goes on underneath it.
Yeah.
It gives you a shorter. So like you have that long range right now.
Yeah.
It's like a car short.
I don't.
That helps you shift your
We'll see. All right, so we just did an unboxing to make sure to go over what we had and don't have to order, but it is finally ready to get started. We're going to unhook the battery and then start dismantling. All right. If you're expecting this to be educational or helpful, this is not the video for you.
Coming from the person who can't get the bolt loose.
I said it's not educational, homie. What do you mean?
You can do a workout video. Get your arm strength back up.
I'm sorry, I have diseases.
Excuse.
I think.
Huh?
In a second. I can't believe I actually got that.
Excuse me.
You take the bottoms off first or the top?
You go from the top. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Watch stuff. There's still something on that. I'm surprised that didn't fall off. Because it's dual disc. So,
Here, I can grab something.
there you go. She hot.
I told you she was hot.
Power bearings, yeah. Those are, remember my marks?
Yeah,
You can see that nothing's moved.
that's good.
Let's see. Which is good.
Just gonna show you what we're looking at. Oh man, zoom. The lines, just making sure. Say maybe 10,000 miles on this.
So you have a few heat cycles, nothing crazy. Everything seems to be hold up pretty good. Still
We have
dry.
made it to the rear main seal, and as we predicted, she is leaking.
Let's see, I take this.
Anywho, so pretty much we're gonna end up the night. We've disassembled at least everything that we need to, so tomorrow will be nice and fresh for assembly, figuring out how we're gonna get this done and get the new transmission in. So make sure you come back to the channel and come check it out, because I have no idea how we're gonna make this work. Bye.